I'm Kim. I'm with 6260 Ohana, California, and today I'm going to do a Bibbidi Box unboxing. And I'm so excited. This is February's box. This is an Ultimate Magic Box, which is $119. They have different boxes that range anywhere from the Dream Box at $39 all the way up to this box. So it's kind of a fun thing. I feel like it's kind of a splurge and fun, exciting thing that comes to my doorstep every month. I have this little backwards, but if you guys could see, this really cute box is the first thing that I noticed this month. It really kind of stood out with all these cute little characters. They have a Hollywood Tower Hotel, little Mickey balloons with the little hidden Mickeys inside, and cotton candy. It's a small world, grape soda. I love it. It's a cute box. The one thing I'm going to tell you is we have something that they have called a wish list. So this month I wished for a certain Funko from an attraction. We'll see if I get it. And there's a lounge fly, and for the life of me I can't remember which one I wanted, but I really liked it. Oh, I just noticed a little Epcot ball on here too, the Spaceship Earth. Alright, sorry, squirrel moment. I also asked, for my preferences, I like villains, I like Stitch, I like the Polly, things like that. So if you kind of get an idea if this is really catered towards me. Ooh, okay, sorry, it's kind of close. Okay, they stuck with the Valentine's Day theme. It says farm fresh, roses, chocolate, and candy, open daily. Ooh, that'd be fun to open daily. And it has these little cute folders. I like these to put little notes in. It has our packing slip, which we'll keep till the end. Surprise! Ooh. And this month, again, my box came in a Bibbidi bag, which I like these. So I think it's kind of a fun added bonus that doesn't count towards the cost. Ooh, okay. I did get my wish list item, but I'll see last. Okay, first one, a Wishes candle company called Loads of Love. And it says okay, it doesn't tell you a scent what that is. So let me see if I can tell. Sparkly. They're always sparkly. It's very strawberry. Yeah, strawberry, I think. What do you think, Brad's?
Strawberry.
Strawberry. Strawberry and sparkles. Perfect for Valentine's Day, even though it passed. It's cute. Okay, I'm trying not to open up the main attraction first, but I think this is the second main attraction. Yes, I've got the maid from the Haunted Mansion, and yes, she was on my wish list. This is number 802 of the Haunted Mansion series. I'm sorry for you Funko fans that keep them in the box. I'm not an in-box kind of person. Let's take a look at her. Oh, she's got a little mirror. She's cute. Okay, but she's really top heavy. But she's adorable. Okay, I like her. She's cute. I love Haunted Mansion stuff. Alright, so I got two little items there. Oh, I feel something smaller. Ooh, I think. Ooh. Ah, Farm Fresh Roses Chocolate Candy Open Daily. This is really cute. Little cutting board. I don't know if you guys could see too well. That's always handy. I feel like Bibbidi's doing more items like that lately. Okay, now for the big main event. It's a little mermaid lounge fly. The kid's a girl. Yes, I did ask for this on my wish list. It's so cute. It's Ariel and Eric. I like how it has this almost like hidden pocket. So it's got a little flounder on there. This is so cute. I love it. And yes, there's a little pocket on the side. And the pocket, you can't see, but down in there has the themed lining for the side pocket. And there's another pocket on this side. So that's great. And you got Sebastian. I love this backpack. Okay. Is that all the outside details? Yes. Nothing with the zippers. If you guys see this lining, it is so cute. I love it, love it, love it. Can you, I don't know. Sebastian and Flounder. And there's a little mini pocket inside. So yay for this. This is amazing. This is exactly the kind of box that's perfect for me. Okay, to the packing slip. And let me tell you guys, this month was really hard to choose from the wish list because there were a lot of cute Loungefly mini backpacks. Okay, so your box was curated with love by Amanda. Thank you, Amanda. So first thing was this charcuterie board, which was 6x8. It's $27.99. Holy cow, that's kind of expensive charcuterie board. My Funko Pop Haunted Mansion Maid was $11, so that's a cute price for $11. The Loungefly, the Little Mermaid Gondola Scene mini backpack was $70. Oh my goodness, I love it. And the Bibbidi Wishes candle, exclusive candle, Loads of Love, was $20. So it's good. So the overall total value of my box is $128.99. So I think this is really cute. These two items were on my Bibbidi wish list, so that was great. I love candles. They can never go wrong with candles. Okay, so one thing I will say for the charcuterie board, I'm not a fan of paying $27.99 for this. I know my Bibbidi box was $119 and I got it for $128.99. So, I mean, I still came out ahead. But if you, the Bibbidi items that they've been doing that's kind of their own personalized, I'm not the biggest fan of, to be honest. If you kind of look at the etching, like up where these balloons are, they're not etched really well. It's like it's partially stamped, if you will. Just not really the best job they could have done, especially to put a high price tag on it. So I think I'll put more things on my wish list next month that are lower items and hope that I get that kind of better quality than these personalized Bibbidi kind of things that they've been doing lately, like this and some of the Christmas stuff, things like that. I prefer to kind of, I think I'm going to try to see if we can stay away from that stuff. Okay, so if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and follow along with our Ohana. Thanks for watching. So goodbye and find your magic. Bye everyone.